want to tell you quickly how to use a wooden grill scraper. It's a grill cleaning tool, and in this video I'll just outline it to you. And in the description you'll also be able to find the easy function wooden grill scraper, available on Amazon USA and Canada. So how to use a wooden grill scraper. It's a grill cleaning tool. It's a safe tool because there's no bristles. So first, preheat your grill. Okay, preheat it pretty well. All right. And why? Why would you preheat your grill? Well, generally it's easier to clean on kind of hot grates, no matter what brush you're using. But with a wooden grill scraper, preheat the grill. Then take out your wooden grill scraper. And first you have to build in the grooves. And what do I mean by that? By putting the wooden grill scraper on your grates, on hot grates, and applying pressure, moving the tool back and forward, you will be able to form grooves in the tool. And why would you do that again? Because then the grooves will match the shape and the size of your grates, and it's gonna then clean them very well. All right. So you move the tool back and forth, and it's already gonna start cleaning sort of. But the idea is to form the grooves very well. Once the groove form, then for future cleanings you can just use the tool as it is. So still preheat the grill and use the wooden grill scraper, move it back and forth. After usage, simply clean it with some cloth and remove kind of the grime. Again, I remind you in the description, there's the easy function wooden grill scraper, Amazon USA and Canada, good prices. Also the website behind the grill, where you can read a lot about grill cleaning and barbecue, so it's in the description. So yeah, then you have your wooden grill scraper ready. You can clean your grill grates. And also here on the end screen, kind of on YouTube, I will leave a video that shows you how the wooden grill scraper by Easy Function works. And another video will show you how to use a grill scraper with like real visuals. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.